Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Easy Way. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Great to have you here again.
Today's topic is something almost every English learner has experienced.
Oh, yes, this one is painful. Really painful.
The problem is, I forget English when speaking.
Does this happen to you too? You know the word, but suddenly it disappears like magic.
Yes, you're ready to speak, and then your brain says,
Memory deleted.
exactly. Why do you forget English while speaking? 1. You think too much. You try to remember grammar, vocabulary, tenses, perfect sentences.
Is this correct? Should I say this or that? Or maybe nothing?
And then your brain gets overloaded.
System overload. Shutting down.
2. You feel nervous. When you get anxious, your brain stops cooperating.
Come on, brain, we practice this.
But stress blocks your memory.
3. You listen but don't speak enough. If you only watch movies or listen to English, you understand well.
But speaking muscles are weak.
Mouth training is important too.
4. You translate in your head. When you think in your own language first, translation takes time and you forget words.
Your brain gets confused.
How to stop forgetting English while speaking. Tip 1. Use emergency phrases. These phrases help when your mind becomes blank. Say things like, give me a moment. Let me think. How do I say this?
These phrases give you time to think without panic.
Tip 2. Speak simple, not perfect. Instead of, I would like to express my opinion regarding this matter, say, I want to say something.
See? No stress, no forgetting.
Tip 3. Practice slow speaking. Speaking slowly helps your brain catch up.
My brain needs time.
Not that slow, but slow enough to stay calm. Tip 4. Use the 3 sentences rule. When speaking, say only 3 simple sentences at a time.
1. Start. 2. Explain. 3. Finish.
This keeps your mind clear and focused.
Tip 5. Shadowing. Copy native speakers like an echo. It builds speaking memory.
Your mouth learns the sentences automatically, so you don't forget.
Tip 6. Stop translating. Try thinking directly in English. Paul, where is my phone? I'm hungry. I want to go out.
Small thoughts build big fluency.
Emily, I'm speaking English. And suddenly everything disappears.
Okay, Paul, let's fix it. What did you want to say?
I wanted to say that I like cooking.
Great. Now use an emergency phrase.
One moment. Let me think. Okay. I like cooking.
Perfect. You stayed calm and you remembered.
That actually works.
Final message. Forgetting English is normal. Every learner experiences it.
It doesn't mean your English is bad. It means your brain needs more practice speaking.
Keep speaking, even if you forget words.
Use small phrases. Stay calm. Breathe. And continue.
Confidence comes slowly, but it comes.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
See you next time. Bye.